Limited Huawei announced strategic partnership for global digital banking. Karachi, with the increase in online transactions, customer demands are changing, and to keep up with the banks must embrace human-centric and customer-first digital transformation. The passion of building a fully connected, intelligent world, Huawei, an enabler of a digital tomorrow system limited formed a strategic alliance to navigate the way forward regarding the advancement of digital banking. The singing ceremony took place on March 11, 2022, in the presence of Asif P, CEO and MD System Limited, and Shahzad Rashid, CEO Huawei. Cloud System Limited has always been at the forefront of digital advancement and has taken multiple initiatives in the past to reshape the delivery and structure of financial service around technology to meet customer demands anytime and anywhere. Key personnel from IT and banking were also present at the ceremony. The group discussed how technology has a huge impact on a customer behavior, service, and product innovation, business operation, and the vast potential it holds for the banking sector. Asif P, CEO and Managing Director at System Limited,